Actually, this was idea from my stylist. I was agree immediately because it was very beautiful about because of the colors. It was a gift from her friend in Holland. I like it very much. It's not hearts, right? About love life, maybe, and that stuff. I will be very happy to see this place because I don't believe in coincidence at all. Oh shit.